Hit the like button and weigh in, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button and weigh in. Good morning, hunters. Alexander, uh, wait a second. Are you on the Mighty Hunter? If you are on the Mighty Hunter, you could have had the access. You have to go on the community section, brother. Yes, so you just go on YouTube, brother. Let me just show you. You go on YouTube. Let me just show you. You go here, our channel. You go on the community section, and here. Oh man, are you kidding me? I don't put the link. Sorry, brother. I don't put the link. Usually I put the link. So I put the name of the live streaming, but I don't put the link. Sorry, brother. Yes. Usually I put the link. Anyway, so I don't put the link. I put it here on our Discord and our Patreon. Anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome. Okay. I will make sure to put the link the next time, brother. But as usual, if you still guys on the YouTube membership, always go on the community section because we always put the alert here. Yesterday we did short analysis for DJT, and the day before we did the link for our live streaming there. So if you are a member, of course, if you are a member, you can have access to our live streaming. So in the time being, we've got CCTG. Fad asked about for swing. CCTG, we'll see it. But for now, guys, if you just join in, we have NVAX looking pretty good, guys. This is the only one have FDA approval. Pharmaceutical company that have FDA approval. We have a huge jump, 100%. The price pulling back. We discuss the price reversal around the 9. We kind of dipped below the 9 and reverse. Once we broke this descending channel, it was a good signal for a reversal. Now we have a target around the 1068 to go to. And the other one, SOUN, we have the 560 to break, support to hold 525, target 579. And let me just check this one, CCTG, CCTG. Yeah, volume is really light. Still bottom, they're still going down, so it's a bit risky. Yeah, big seller just came around 570. So this one I don't trust that much, man. Last price that the short added is was around the 346. Yeah, 346. 346, exactly that. SOUN still moving slowly. NVAX is still moving. Okay, so this is what we got here. NMTC look good again. But we have a movement now. Still not any movement. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Let us check the market here. At what time we open? We have a few minutes left. We have few minutes left. Yeah, 30 minutes. Remember, guys, we have holidays. Memorial Day will be on the 27th of Monday here. We're gonna have a day off. A day off for the market. So I think on the 25th of wait a second, this is 24th. Yeah, on Friday here, guys, we're gonna have a slow market because we're gonna have a long weekend. So after 2 weeks from now, yes, 2 weeks from now, exactly, we're gonna have a slow market on the 24th because 27th is Memorial Day. Yes, sir. This is, will be a good. After that, whoa, wait a second, yeah. After that, in June, we have the. It's kind of unusual, this one, Juneteenth. I think this is summertime day off. Exactly, around the 19th. But yeah, this is on Monday. SOUN is moving. SOUN is moving. We've got a mover, everybody in the pre-market. Big mover in the pre-market. Okay, let's see. This one, guys, is moving. We might have a huge jump right now, so we have to prepare for entry for this one before a squeeze, because the 560 should be the trigger for SOUN to go toward the 579. This is could be quick, guys. This is could be quick. Right now, 17% for SOUN. If you remember, guys, SOUN have a huge earnings on the 9th of May after hours. We have a huge jump here, 27%. This was on Thursday after hours. And that's why now we've got, yeah, 17% after the earnings. We might have another jump after we break the 560, guys. This is where the short will cover again toward the 570. So SOUN and NVAX, both of them will be good on the market open, guys. The rest is history. LIDR, not good, broke the support here. So I'm gonna keep just two, guys. Just two for today hunt. Maybe we're gonna add another ones, but for now, we've got just two. SOUN and this one. We've got 10 minutes left on the market open, everybody. Let us check again if we got something moved. Something moved. Nothing yet. We don't have anything moving yet. Alexander, just as a reminder, brother, Discord is only available on Patreon because YouTube, they don't link Discord to YouTube, you know? Patreon is the one that you could link with Discord. And YouTube membership is different, brother. It's different platform. Someone said if GameStop is a void, GameStop is a big bet, guys. Big bet for today. GameStop is still good as long as we hold the current support, the 15. Yes. If we held the 15, is me game on for this one to squeeze. 15.33. The first support that we held, the bottom is over the 13.30. And now we need to hold the 15.33 to go up. GameStop, big bet for today, guys. I will keep it on the list as well. SOUN is moving again. And NVAX is moving again. Look at this. This one have a really beautiful breakout here. AMC is dead. Yeah, still dead, man, because we don't have a breakout yet. We have earning though. We have earning, I think, today. Let me just check. Yeah, earnings after hours Wednesday. We had the earnings Wednesday. Nothing much. It was on the 8th, but nothing much. We went 4%. So it's not completely dead because we're still holding the 270. If we broke the 270 this time, we might have the $1. Yeah, we might have the $1. And now all the eyes is on GameStop, everybody. SOUN is about to squeeze every one before the market open. So now we have just two stocks to watch on the market open, SOUN and NVX. Now we have 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes, everybody. Less than 7 minutes. Hit the like button on the way and don't forget, support our community, guys. Sharing is caring. This is the least you can do. Just share our live streaming, subscribe, and hit the like. Again, is not for me, is for making our live streaming is more accessible and more visible to the other traders. Again, don't say Jesus is kind of superficial, want likes, you know, it's not for me, guys. If you like the live streaming, is not for me, is just to spread the word. It's just to make the live streaming is visible. Because the algorithm is stupid. He just make the live streaming or anything that you watch, even if a dog video or a cat video, kind of most stupid videos have billion views. You know why? Because YouTube doesn't care about what's the message being transmitted. If the people keep watching, the algorithm will like spread the video or the stream like a plague, like virus. So YouTube algorithm doesn't care about the value it's being given. It just care about the attention people give for the video. And think if a lot of people watching the video so much, a lot, and share it is mean good. But most often, unfortunately, the like the views is not reflection of the value because most the video that been like gone viral usually have no value. It's like just dancing videos or stupid, funny videos. People just want to waste their time and just relax, so they're watching those kind of nonsense video. And that's why YouTube algorithm is kind of stupid. And not stupid because YouTube algorithm is made by uh, people who run YouTube. They just want attention. And that's it. They want people to stay on YouTube and keep watching. And this is the sad reality, guys. This is the sad reality because trading and what we do here is kind of really need a lot of focus. And there is no excitement because we don't have like colors and music and things like make you distracted. So that's why it's really hard to for our live streaming to get viral and get thousands views and views because we don't sugar coated our message. It's kind of pure. It's kind of drinking water instead of alcohol if you actually drink a lot of alcohol. Or it's like eating bitter food or not sugary thing after eating sugar every day. It's really hard because you custom to drink sugary thing, then you stop, you can feel that the food doesn't taste good. It's the same our message doesn't taste sweet, but it's good for your health. Let us see. 3 minutes left. Okay, guys, disclaimer before we start our live streaming. Remember, everybody, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And of course, today is Friday, the 10th of May. So we're watching two stocks to trade. Remember, there's always opportunity in the market, so never run after the price. Be patient and let's hunt together for today trade. And please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, share our live streaming. Sharing is caring, everybody. The only way here is by sharing. So thank you for being here and for the support, of course. And let's hit our live streaming for today, Friday. So let's get right to it, everybody. And we have less than 2 minutes right now to watch for NVAX. And the other one, SOUN, is about to squeeze here. GameStop, we'll see if we're gonna break the 18. Will be a crazy day to watch. Okay, it's getting near. Let's see, GM, NVAX, SOUN. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Market is about to open in any second. We're watching SOUN and NVAX, both of them on the market open. This one have FDA approval, guys. That's why it jumped 100% in pre-market, and now it's pulling back for another try. We've got few seconds, 30 seconds on the market open. GameStop, guys, is neutral. Yesterday we did 13%, so there's a chance for a huge jump for GameStop for today toward the $20. SOUN, where's the next target? We've got a huge target or small target, 4%, around the 579. This is the first. We have a huge earnings for SOUN. That's why we jumped 17%. Come on, which one will be the top gainer for today? Okay, SOUN. SOUN, guys, we have a breakout here. Nice. SOUN hit the first profit taken. SOUN hit the first profit taken and went down. Okay, we've got big resistance now to test around the 625. This is the next target. Really good. MVAX, what's going on? It's pulling back. GameStop is pulling back up, guys. There's a big buyer and seller, so still not confirmed yet. MVAX is pulling back down, guys. We have a big seller just came here around the 1017 for NVAX. We have a big seller, guys. We spotted a big seller around the 1017. SOUN looking pretty nice. GameStop is not ready yet. Yeah, GameStop is not ready yet for today's squeeze. NVAX is squeezing now. NVAX, guys, and SOUN. Those are the two that we should watch. Okay, this one got rejected, guys, around the 564. So there's a big seller here. Now we try to break. NVAX, guys, make sure to take profit around the 1070 because we broke now the 1017. SOUN, we try to break the 564. 564 for a break for SOUN. Are we gonna break? GameStop is pulling back down. We've got big reversal. We might happen here first. 1660. SOUN still struggling here. And this one didn't break the 1017 yet. Great. We have a big seller, guys. It's still out on the 1017. Yeah, big seller still there. SOUN is going down big time here. Yeah, I think this one, I'm gonna call it. It's not good. SOUN got shorted, guys. Not good. We don't have a breakout yet. So this one is not good. I give it some time, guys, to break, but it's a bit risky to hold now. The same with NVAX. We have a big seller around the 1017. We have a huge wick. The price didn't continue to go higher. That's why we closed down. So now if we don't try again, it means we're gonna go down toward the 890 and even the 780. If we broke, hallelujah, it means we're gonna have another pump up. SOUN will try again to break around the 567. If we broke, we might have another entry. Otherwise, we don't have to test it or try to buy it. GameStop is moving. MGNS, not today. Okay, SOUN is moving again. Okay, NVAX is moving again. This is the time that we're gonna have a confirmation for a breakout with SOUN, everybody. Both of them looking good. Okay, SOUN, we have a nice breakout here. Let's see if we're gonna confirm the breakouts. Yes, kind of, we confirm it. Is really good here. Yeah, SOUN is nice breakout, everybody. Yes, sir. NVAX, the same. We have a really good breakout. Now the target 1070, guys. GameStop is moving now. GameStop is moving. Wow. We've got a huge movement. Big buyer came. Okay, GameStop is moving, guys. We have NVAX hitting our profit taking right now. SOUN is still moving. NVAX is pumping, guys. Nice. We have hit more than our profit taking now. So if you enter, guys, make sure to take profit on NVAX. It was good trade here. Gonna take some profit there. Let me just wait. Are we gonna have another pump or a flush here? Nope, it's pumping. This is it. Are we gonna hold? Yes, we holding. Nice. We might have another pump, so we could do trailing stop instead. Trailing stop for this one, guys. Uh, okay, we might take profit here. And now we might have another entry. Okay, NVX is still looking good for 1166 now. Another targets. So we have another support here, NVAX. The confirmation for this reversal happened here in pre-market, guys. We discussed NVAX today on our early live streaming today. It was a really good hunt. As you can see here, we started our day with NVAX. And of course, we spotted this breakout. You see, we said this is descending channel we need to break. You see, we said this is the rejection. We went down. Now we're waiting for a breakout here. You see, this is the most important level that we discuss over this ascending channel. And now it's flashing down once again. Let me just adjust that. Okay, we've got a hidden seller there around the $11. So we jumped there almost 8%. Now testing the support. Nice. Okay, so now it's testing our support, the 817. Let's see if we hold. NVAX looking pretty nice, guys, for another reversal. Okay, we broke. Huge flush. That's why we suggest to exit around 1070, guys. It was really good to exit there because there's a big seller here. Now we've got a support over the 6 or the 967. SOUN is still holding, guys. We've got a nice support here to hold over the 567. GameStop is still struggling here. We have a huge buyer and seller. We're not ready yet. We have to break the 1874. Yeah, this is the level that we should break in order to go toward the $20. Okay, SOUN is pumping. We held the 567. This is good. GameStop, the same, guys, is about to squeeze now. SOUN is moving. LIDR still. Let me just check the other list. Nothing. Nada. So yeah, we have SOUN. GameStop is still, guys, we need to break the 1870. SOUN, we have a new high. Target for now is the 625. So we missing 5% more on this one. Yeah, it's moving. Alibaba, thank you, brother. Exactly, but monster. Thank you for explaining because I was focused on the trade. I didn't see Jaden when he asked about train stop. Thank you, brother. Okay, Dr. Peter just took his profit on NVAX. Great, man. Assalamu alaikum, Alibaba. Uh, why is I already checked it? For MNDR, we'll check it right now. Meyer said he want to start to learn, but he don't know how. You know, you have to start really small, brother. You just join our Discord, brother. You can start by doing that because we have really good community. You can ask any question. At the same time, you could watch our early live streaming and, of course, our chart alert, which you could learn how to put your own chart as well. So this is our early live streaming, and this is our chart alert. So you could actually copy what I do here, and you could learn how to put the support and resistance. So this would be a good way to learn, brother. The best way to learn in trading or swimming or sport or whatever is by doing, not just by reading, is by doing. So SOUN looking good. Still looking good. Let us check the market as a whole. We kind of neutral. AMD is pumping. Mullen is went down. So Nvidia, so semiconductors doing all right lately. They don't lose any momentum, nothing. And GameStop is still okay because it's still holding over the 1715, guys. Mara is down after the earnings. Okay, NVAX is not ready yet. And SOUN is pulling back again. So the 567 should be the support. We don't want to go below it in order to go toward the 625. Let us check what's going on here. We have ITOS, SG doing all right here, but it's still low float and low volume. WISA, $3 supports, so it's still holding the support. We did a nice jump today. Okay, GameStop is pumping, guys. GameStop is pumping right now, 4%, and still jumping. We might have the Moses. We might have the Moses and jumping toward the $20. So this is the next target, guys. Now 1884 for GameStop. GameStop on the move. GameStop on the move, everybody. We might have the Moses. GameStop, guys, is looking interesting now. GME looking crazy good. We might have a huge action right now for GameStop. Just testing. Nice. $19. New high around the 19. So we need another $1, guys, toward the $20. GameStop. It's game on. The game didn't stop. SOUN. It's pulling back. It's kind of tricky now. SOUN give us some mixed signals. So GameStop doing all right now. Yeah, GameStop doing all right. NVX is still holding, and SOUN is plunging down. You know what, man? For SOUN, I don't like this kind of trend. If we don't hold now, is mean we have to be clear from an SOUN. If we don't continue at least up and make this is our support is mean not good for today. 547, yes. Otherwise, would be really bad to dip again below this level. GameStop is moving, guys, toward the $20. Wow. Let me just check AMC if it's moving as well. AMC started to move as well. 2%. We have to keep watching AMC and GameStop, guys. We have unusual movement for GameStop. Unusual movement for GameStop, everybody. Sky's the limit right now for GameStop. Big volume right now, guys. And I think we're gonna have the Moses. I think we're gonna have the squeeze that everybody waiting for since 3 years. Imagine everybody waiting for the squeeze since 3 years. ARQT. Okay, ARQT. We have a little jump, but man, I'm telling you, still not clear now. Yeah, we get near the support, the 690, but it's kind of crazy unstable. I will pass, man, on this rate. It's not stable. Wow, SGD got shorted, guys. Oh man, what a disappointed situation. Okay, this one is still strong, guys. We don't have any sell-off for it. Good morning, Oaks Way Recording. Wow, long name. I think this is your business. You have a business called the Oaks Way. Do you have a Spotify? The funny part is I only listen on Spotify audiobooks or podcast for French, because I learned my French on Spotify. So this is my music. I listen to French podcast. So the Spotify, I don't listen to music, but I listen to languages. So now I'm trying to learn Italian. So I think I'm gonna do the same way, listening to Italian podcast. I think this is the best way to learn any language, guys, just by listening. Or this is the best way for me because everybody different. Some people is visual, some people by ear. For me, it's visual and by ear. I have to see and listen. This is the best way for me to learn. And that's why college and things like this is not good for me because they're not visual. They just put words and things like this. So it's not effective for me to learn, at least for physics or chemistry or things like this. I like animated visuals to learn. For languages, is the better is to listen to native speakers speak and just repeat without grammar, without nothing. SG, SOUN. Okay. SG, nothing much, I think. 44 here. Yeah, SG 44%. Yeah, not bad. Really not bad. We have the 39 and 53. Yeah, SG not bad. GameStop, guys, 9%. We expect if we have a huge day, we expect 40% and now 9%, so almost 50%. If we have a squeeze, we might have the 27. Yeah, the 27 should be a target. GameStop, guys, doing really its thing. It's a matter of time. We might have a huge day for GameStop today with NVAX because this one is FDA approval. SOUN, I don't like the trend, man. We could have squeezed, but now we're squeezing down. So I think it would be a really bad trade for this one. Sani, shout out to Sani, a new member, a new hunter with us. He just tuning into our live stream for the first time. Thank you, brother, for your words and appreciate your courage because a lot of people just watching and afraid to contact with us and kind of shy to send their message. So shout out to your courage, brother. And remember, brother, we always do our live streaming each day, brother, 30 minutes before the market open, every day, man. So if you tune in for the first time, thank YouTube algorithm. Thank YouTube algorithm for show us your or our live streaming to you. And remember, guys, we always go before that live here on our Patreon Discord every day. We do early live streaming. And of course, every day we do chart analysis update for entries. Every day, guys, every day we do update for those stocks. Day trade, we call it unicorn hunt. We have crypto hunt, Bitcoin. We did in the big picture, as you can see here. To visualize the 200K, this is our target. We do crypto, we do swing trade every day, guys, on our Discord and Bitcoin. Almost bottom. Hologram. Let me just check hologram here. Hologram is barcoding. Yes, almost bottom, brother. Exactly. Thank you for the reminder. We already did chart analysis update here for one of our hunters. It's almost bottom down around the 154. Now the resistance around the 187 for this one. Exactly, man. Hologram almost bottom. Thank you for the reminder. GameStop is pulling back. LIDR, nothing much. DJT. Let's see. SGD is going down a bit. Nothing much happening here. So let me just add the support for this one. This is our support for today. To hold. This is where we should hold everybody. Nice. NVAX is still the play for today. SOUN is still on, but it's a bit risky because the support is a bit far. HG is kind of low on volume. It was barcoding after the earnings, but now it's still pumping. LIDR, nothing much. It could be good after we break the 2. DJT is still strong, guys. The Donald Trump stock is still really strong. The rest is pulling back, like AQST is pulling back on light volume, so I'm going to take it from the list. JAX is not for today because there's no action, there's no enough volume. SGD, wow, is pulling back down, yes. And AGBA is pulling back with WGS. For now, yes, we have only NVX that could be the runner for today. The only one could be the runner for today. The only runner. Yes. HIM. HIM. S. Nothing much for now. For my expectation for this one, it looked okay because we have 2 earnings, really good earnings. The most important thing for this one on the big picture, let me just show you exactly, is the $10. So this is the psychological level that we should hold. This one we have to go on the big picture, brother, because it's really light on volume. We have target, of course, around 17 and the 13. So this one we need to have a bit of patience because we need news to break the 1377. So as long as we hold the 10, we're still in bullish trend for this one. It's a matter of time. Once we hold the 10, it's a matter of time. We're gonna have the 17 and the 20 and beyond. But it's really slow, brother. You need to be patient. For this one is really active because we have FDA approval news. MGNX down 73%. Uptake it from the list, man, because it doesn't look good. Yeah, what a crazy dip, man. Broke even the support. I'm gonna be away from it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna be away. So away from it. Who'd if we're gonna have a reversal? Not today. We need something drastic. We have really crazy nice news, guys, but we went down anyway from the almost the $20. So we're gonna consolidate below the $19 for a few days until we have some fundamental news will change this reaction. DNA. We covered this before. Yes, the same. We have earnings, price went down. We have bottom, guys. This one is visiting a bottom, so there's a chance for reversal from the 74. But again, is risky because the short added around the 88. $1 psychological level. We didn't break it back in May, 7th of May. So it's kind of bearish, but it could be a reversal bottom, a play. Coming back to our only wife. Sometimes we have 2 wives, 3 wives, or 4, but today we have only one man, only one wife. Which is looking really good. Yeah, GME squeeze, guys. GME is squeezing, guys, officially. We have a huge bump for GameStop hitting the 2020, guys. We might have FOMO buying right now. Next target right now is 2167. 2127 because we hit the $20, guys. $20 is the target. Second profit taken. Now we have the 2167. 2167 should be a major resistance. After that, we have the 2746 for GameStop for today. Really, we might have a huge squeeze, guys. 40% up or almost 50%. This is would be crazy. You know what? I'm gonna put alert around the 2167. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. SOUN is moving again. NVAX, guys, this one could be the runner as well for today if we broke the 11. Okay, we have a really nice active market today. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget, we have almost 50 likes for today hunt. Almost 50. Let's hit the 50 likes. Guys, as we discussed, we got few stocks to watch today and trade. We have GameStop, NVAX, and of course SOUN. Those the only stock that actively traded by the market maker, short sellers, and everybody else. Those the only stocks. The rest are sleeping. GameStop need 100 million for today, guys. If we have 100 million worth of volume, this is will go. 2020, guys, we hit a major resistance around the 2020. This next target is the 2167 for GameStop. Nice, we hit the 15 likes for today. Great Friday, everybody. Hit the like more. Let's hit the 100. Why not? Let's hit the 100 again. Keep yourself hydrated, everybody. It's getting hot here in France, almost 30 degrees. Hopefully, the weather is good everywhere in the world. Hopefully, you enjoyed the sun and little things we called life. Sometimes we forget about enjoying the sun and enjoying being in the nature and doing nothing. It's not doing nothing, actually, if you're really present, not listening to music or talking or thinking. If you're just there, wherever you are, even in the desert, you're not doing nothing. If you're really present, you're really actually living. So when some people say you do nothing, no, come on. I breathe, I interact with the like the nature beside me. I spread my electromagnetism to earth. There is my bloodstream moving, my heart is moving. A lot of micro steps, micro things happening inside of me and outside of me. So when some people say, come on, you're sitting and doing nothing, I tell them, no, I do a lot of things. If you're really present, you can feel what you do. So you can't do nothing. Dr. Peter, you have to come to South of France, man, or Greece or Italy. The water over there is beautiful, man. The beach over there is beautiful. Because here I go like in the ocean, near England. The water is kind of really cold because it's the ocean. So if you really want to enjoy swimming, you have to go to the Mediterranean, man. It's the best sea. Anybody knows this road, everybody, like near Greece, you have a really cute little island. It's called Corvo, and from there I saw like a really interesting road you can take from this island in Greece, and you go to Albania, then Macedonia, then uh, I think uh, near Croatia. Yeah, there's four cities you can cross from those coastline. I think this is by far the best coastline in Europe regarding the beach side. I don't know if anybody visited this area. I just saw it by like by mistake. Someone suggesting to go there because he already did this adventure. NVAX, nothing much, everybody. Nothing much for this one. Is still, yeah, $11 is the big resistant. LIDR still. DJT really moving slowly, guys. This one is moving slowly and steady, nearly around the 57. Interesting. SMR popped. Yeah, yeah, but I don't trust this breakout, man. Yeah, it popped from the 684. Now we could go toward the 734. Yeah, this one is a bit tricky to trust. And it popped because we've got earnings yesterday. Yes, was a bit late for this pop, but late is better than never. So yeah, SMR could be good later with NVAX. Mara, what's happened tomorrow? Nothing much, brother. We have earnings. Crypto still didn't break any level, new level with Bitcoin. It went down, so nothing much happened. Mara went down because of the earnings. Now it's kind of breaking this support. So is the look at this earning. This is crazy. 7,000, man. 7,000% suppress. So it's not about the earnings anymore, it's about Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't break any level, guys. We need a new high. So it's not about the earnings. Guys, hit the like button on the way in and notification, of course. So in order to be notified the next time on Monday, of course, because we're gonna go live as usual, 30 minutes before the market open to trade the market and discuss how to enter and exit and take profit. For today, we got a really good trade for NVAX. We suggest our hunters to take profit before the $11. That's why we have struggled to break. The other one, we traded SOUN. It was a bit tricky because we didn't continue higher and we went down, but in the big picture, it's still looking good. We've got some stocks that we might trade later, like SMR. We've got some stocks like GameStop. We're gonna update you guys later on our Discord because we always do our day trade on Unicorn Hunt later on. So if you are one of our member on Discord and Patreon, just stay alerted because we're gonna do alert later on for you guys. And again, if you didn't or if you're not one of our Discord hunter, you can actually join us on the link in comment section below that. I'm gonna put it right now. You have to join first our Patreon, then you could have access to our Discord. Really simple, guys. Really simple. Even if you never joined to Discord before, you can do it in a few minutes, and I can show you exactly how to do it. It's really simple. Exactly, man. Exactly, Robert. Exactly that. AMD is not dumping, but it's just correcting. We have a huge pump for the semiconductors. Let me just check AMD very quick if it's dumping. AMD. Not dump. We're still in green. When you go on the big picture, this is not the dump, brother. On the 4 hour, this is nothing. It's not dumping. We're still holding the 133, so it's okay. But Nvidia is stronger than AMD, clearly. So guys, we're gonna do update later on. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the time and see you back on Monday. And if you are one of our hunters on Discord and Patreon, just stay tuned for another alert later on. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you by the next week. Have a nice weekend.